So hey guys, so this is a part 2 of Yuvan's second birthday celebration, and the theme is jungle safari theme. So this is a cake with matching theme, and these are some cupcakes and donuts, as you can see. And now almost everything is ready, and as you can see, backdrop is ready, food is ready, and almost people start coming. So now me and Yuvan, we both are going to get ready, and here I'm going to show you his outfit. So this is a t-shirt for his second birthday, and I thought before buying, I thought this is perfect for his second birthday, because here it is saying I'm too wild, and which is matching with the safari theme. So there are a few animals, and number 2 is there. So I feel this is perfect for photo shoot, so I ordered this one. Although there is different outfit for cake cutting, so he's gonna wear that also, but before that he's going to we are going to do some photo shoot in the t-shirt, and this is his second outfit which he's gonna wear for cake cutting. So this outfit I got from the H&M, and it is a 3-piece simple set, and there is bow also. So this is basically 3-piece set, and this one is a t-shirt. I feel like it is perfect for his birthday. And apart from that, me and my husband outfit also I'm gonna show you in pictures. So as you can see, me and Yuvaan, we both are ready, and here is my outfit and my husband outfit. So it is summer party, so we kept everything minimal, so that it looks little bit summery. And so guys, now we are ready, and everything is ready. So now we are going to do cake cutting, so let's enjoy the whole video. And yeah.
Ready? Steady? Come on! Hit, hit, hit!
Bye, hit.